Our protocol further develops an existing approach used over the last 4 decades, extends the applicability of electrochemical roughening to thin films, and opens the door for miniaturization.
By increasing the surface area of platinum electrodes without an additional coating, the devices are more robust and can last longer than a plated device for electrical stimulation.
We have worked with many different electrode geometries and found that parameters like electrode size, shape, and layout influence roughening. We encourage researchers to vary pulsing parameters for their specific electrodes.
First, submerge the electrode tip of a device in a 500 millimolar perchloric acid solution that also contains a platinum wire counterelectrode and mercury sulfate reference electrode. Connect several short electrodes of a multi-electrode device together as the working electrode. Then, connect the working, counter, and reference electrodes to a potentiostat. To electrochemically clean the surface of the electrodes by repetitive potential cycling, first open the ECLab software of the potentiostat. To apply cyclic voltammograms or CVs to the electrodes, press the plus sign to add the electrochemical technique under the Experiment tab. In the pop-up window, Insert Techniques will appear. Click on Electrochemical Techniques. When that expands, click on Voltamperometric Techniques. When that expands, click on Cyclic Voltammetry. In the Experiment window, fill in the appropriate parameters. Under Safety Advanced Settings, select the electrode connections as CE to ground.